Top 5 IMAZIGHEN leaders.
Number 5.
Abd al-Mu'min, born 1094 and died 1163, the first leader of Almohad Empire.
Number 4.
Bocchus I was king of Mauritania between 110 before Christ and 80 before Christ.
Number 3.
Dihya or Karina was the best warrior queen. She was born with the Jrawa Zenata tribe in Kenchla, early 7th century and died in late 7th century.
Number 2.
Yogurta or Yogurten was born in 160 before Christ in Sirta, modern-day Constantine, Algeria. He died in 104 before Christ in Rome. His grandfather was Nisa. Yogurten managed to fool the Romans in trading and made them very angry. Yogurten was very brave and tough warrior. Anger the Romans led to the Yogurtine War between Numidia and Rome.
Number 1.
Nisa was the first Numidian king ever, a true king and warrior with smart moves in his prime, negotiating with the Romans to end the Carthaginian Empire and push back the Phoenicians back to the Middle East. He was an ally of Carthage but later switched side. He negotiated with the Romans and founded the Kingdom of Numidia. With the Roman support, he reunited eastern and western Numidian tribes, IMAZIGHEN, modern-day Algeria, Tunisia. His strength in the battlefield was unquestionably the best leader warrior king people have ever seen. His acts played a major role for the indigenous people of North Africa.